We're changing out this doorknob to this. You should probably pre-drill these holes, but if you're very careful, then you can do without pre-drilling. Make sure that this is the right way. It has to slope towards the casing. There are two versions. One has holes, one doesn't. Put the holes on the inside of the door. That way when you look at the door, you don't see the holes. What the heck? And there we have it. This might not be the most effective way, but it is DIY friendly. All I used was a chisel and a razor blade to get those sharp lines. And as long as you're patient and take your time with it, it'll come out looking pretty good.